Hey everyone, welcome back to Lyra Tech. Today we're checking out the ESKUTE NOVA X, an electric dirt motorcycle promising big fun for teens and adults. Check the link in the description for the best price. This bike aims to balance thrilling performance with parental peace of mind, and we're here to see if it delivers. Let's dive into what makes the ESKUTE NOVA X a thrilling ride with its powerful motor and impressive speed capabilities. The heart of this electric dirt bike is its robust 4,000 watts motor designed for thrilling rides. It can achieve speeds between 35 and 46 miles per hour, and it's engineered to climb up to 40-degree slopes. This means it's ready for various off-road challenges. The 4,000-watt peak motor sounds incredibly powerful, promising exciting acceleration and good hill climbing ability for this class. With a top speed ranging from 35 to 46 miles per hour, this bike offers a genuinely fast and exhilarating riding experience. Its ability to tackle 40-degree slopes is impressive, indicating strong torque and making it suitable for varied terrain. The ESKUTE NOVA X packs a serious punch with its 4,000 watts motor, easily hitting those advertised speeds and handling tough climbs. Let's evaluate the battery performance and critical safety features like brakes and suspension. Battery reliability is a key focus, with a 48-volt, 22.8 amp-hour unit that's 2,849 certified, promising up to 53 miles of range. Safety is enhanced by responsive hydraulic disc brakes combined with EABS technology and a suspension system featuring a 230mm front hydraulic fork. A certified battery with an advanced BMS system provides crucial peace of mind and ensures consistent power delivery. The blend of hydraulic disc brakes and EABS technology provides excellent, responsive stopping power for safe control. The full suspension, especially the 230mm front hydraulic fork, is designed to absorb bumps for a smoother and more comfortable ride. Most of the key specifications, like motor power, battery capacity, and braking systems, are clearly detailed here. You get a reliable, certified battery for long rides, plus excellent stopping power and a comfortable suspension for safety. So, the ESKUTE NOVA X electric dirt motorcycle is a really exciting option for younger riders looking for their first taste of off-road thrills. It brings solid power from that 4,000 watts motor and a genuinely impressive range thanks to its certified battery. The suspension and brakes feel up to the task, offering control and comfort. While you'll need to do some setup and be aware of local laws, the overall value here is strong for an adventure machine.